Hi, hello friends. Welcome to KSP Academy. Today we have to see the fundamental, which is very important topic, that is divisibility rules. Divisibility rules of all the numbers. Example, let us say, if you know the divisibility rules, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. This is enough. After this, the 12, 13, 14 keep on going on there. If it let us take 2 is there, 2 is the 12 is there, 12 is the total, 4 is a 12. So multiples combination will come, it is not required up to the mark. So once you know the 2 to 11, the divisibility rules, we can easily do the problems when you're getting the divisions of the big numbers for the given parameters. So to understand this, I'll go very simple concepts, very simple logic, which you are not supposed to have seen some of the textbooks, some of the lecture videos. Today I'll see easy to explain to you how to divide the number. So what is the main intention to learn this divisibility rules actually? Let us take 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Like this is a big number. Is it divisible by 2? So some people, let us say, they will do like this. How much time will take? It will take a lot of time. So without doing this divisibility regular thing, by seeing a number, by using a logic, we need to say, is this number is divisible by 2 or not? Is it divisible by 3 or not? Let us, the people will do like this division. So don't do this. Without doing this, we use logic, we have to say. So what are the logics we can use for individual divisibility of the individual table? So let us will discuss. So now let us will directly enter into the topic. First one is I'll go according to my sequence. I'll cover all the numbers. First is divisibility rule of 2. Two divisibility rules. Two divisibility rule. Okay. What is the divisibility rule of 2 is the last digit of the last digit of the last digit of the given number must be divisible by 2 or multiple of 2. Example to understand very clearly. Let us example 246 is there. This is a number. In this number, what is the last digit? 6. Is it 6 is divisible by 2? The last digit of the given number must be divisible by 2. 6 is divisible or not? Because 2 3 is 6. So therefore, the number which is divisible by 2. Let us will take an example 2. 23457. This is 23,477. 457. Is it divisible by or not? So please take a last digit according to your lecture videos. Last digit 7. 7 is divisible? No. 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. So 7 it is not divisible by 2. Therefore, this number is not divisible by 2. Similarly, whatever the number they mentioned, it is example 3 you can take 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 3, 5. What are the big number they mentioned? Yes, you people has to see, look at only last number. Is it divisible by 5? Is it divisible by 2 table? The answer is no. Therefore, this is not divisible by 2. Simple logic, last number must be divisible by 2. Last example, 4 so 23670. Last number is what? 0. Last digit. So 0 is divisible by 2. So thing is clear. 0 also multiple of 2 because this is very important. 2 zeros are 0. It is that divisible. Don't think that 0 is not a multiplier of 2. 2 zeros are 0. 3 zeros are 0. Actually, we are learning the table 2 ones are 2, but it's 2 0 0 also there. That you should not forget. So it is 2 multiple of. So last digit is 0 also. The number must be divisible by 2. You don't forget. This is very important question in exam. Okay, now it is very clear that. Okay, now switch on to the next. After 2, I'll go for directly to the 4. I should not enter into the 3. I'll come to 3 later. The second thing is divisibility rule of 3. 3 is divisibility rule. What is the divisible? After that, after 2 is over, right? Now I'll go for 4. Better to understand. I'll go for 4. First completed 2, then I have to go for 4. After that, I'll go for 8. After that, I'll come back to your 3, 4 things. Okay, first divisibility rule of 4. What is the divisibility rule of 4? Once you understand 2, the 4 is understanding easy. The rule is what? Last 2 digits. Last 2 digits is divisible by 4. Therefore, the entire number is divisible by 4. The entire number divisible by 4. If you take an example to understand very clearly. Example 54344. This is a number. So according to your question, last 2 digits. Actually, 2 table means what? Only last single digit. No, last 2 digits. What are the last 2 digits? 44. If 44 is divisible by 4, the total number is divisible by 4. Let us take 44 is divisible by 4. Let us take 4 11 44. Okay. The total number is divisible by 4. Okay. Let us, I'll take an example of second example. 2420. So please look at into the only last 2 digits. 20. Okay. 20 is 4 5s are 20. Okay. 4 5s are 20. So therefore this total number is divisible by 4. It's very simple. Next, you can take an example of 3. Third example, 24311. Now you can tell me the answer. Na? Last 2 dates means it's 11. So 11 is not divisible by 4. The total number is, it is not divisible by 4 number. So it is not divisible by 4 table. Now it's clear. Now it's clear. 2 table means last digit. 3 table means last 2 digits. Clear? Now next I'll go switch on to that. 8 divisible rule. Divisibility rule of 8. 8 divisibility rule. The concept is simple. Last 3 digits. Last 3 digits. Last 3 digits must be divisible. Divisible. As like example, let us take 2 table means last 1 digit. 4 table means last 2 digits. 8 table means last 3 digits. 2 3 8 like that. So example I'll take like this. I'll take 24,888. So what is your main concentration? Last 3 digits, you can check it out. 888 is divisible or not? So your convenient data stick, I think 8 triple ones are 888. So the entire number is divisible by 8 table. Let us to understand example. One more example. Let us will take to more clarity. 54312 is take example. So what you have to do? Let us will go for only last 3 digits. 312 is divisible by 8 table or not? 24. What is this here? 24, right? Okay. 11. 11 4 it is there. 7 is there. 72. 9 is 72. So it is complete divisible. Therefore, the total number is divisible by 8 table. Like this, last 3 digits you should check it. Just once you recall, 2 divisibility rule is last single digit. You can check it out. It is divisible by 2. 4 means last 2 digits. 8 means last 3 digits. Therefore, the entire number is divisible by 8 table. I hope it's very clear. Now next, the fourth case, divisibility rule of 3. 3 divisibility rule. The divisibility rule of 3, it's very simple. Logic is the sum of the all digits in the given number. The sum of the all digits in the given number is divisible by 3. Therefore, the entire number is divisible by 3. Example I will take 1345 1234. This is the number 12,345. Is it divisible by 3 or not? According to the question, logic, sum of all digits. The sum 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. How much you are going to get? 4 5 are 9, 10, 15. Sum is how much? 15. 15 is divisible by 3 or not? Because definitely divisible by 3, because 3 5s are 15. Okay, therefore we can say the total number is divisible by 3 table. It's very simple. Just you take a number, add all individual digits, that the sum of the digits must be divisible by 3, the entire number divisible by 3. Next example will take 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This you are taken. So let's check it out according to your condition. Add all 5, 4 plus 3, 2, 1. Like this. How much you are going to get? Same number, right? Same 15 you'll get. So divisible by 3. So to understand one more question you can take. Third one. 23,412. 23,452. Let us according to the condition you can take 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 2. 5, 4, 9, 9 plus 10, 16. 16 it is not divisible by 3. Therefore, total number is not divisible by 3 table. This it's not divisible. This is divisible. This is divisible. Simple thing is add all individual digits. The total summation must be divisible by 3. Therefore, total number is divisible by 3. If this sum is not divisible by 3, it is not a multiple of 3. The entire number it is not divisible by 3. So 3 divisibility rule is clear. Next, fifth concept, divisibility rule of 9. 9 divisibility rule. The 9 divisibility rule is very simple, as like sum of the, as like 3 times, sum of all digits of the given number must be divisible by 9 table. Because example letter I'll take, next we are taken 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is example number 1. So same as like a 3 table, please add on all these things, 1, 2 plus 3, 4, 5. The summation how much you got? 15. 15 is it divisible by 9? No, 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18. It is not 15. Therefore, it is not divisible by 9 table. Because 3 table means the summation must be divisible by 3. 9 table means the summation must be divisible by that 9 table. Otherwise, it is not supposed to be. Let us to take an example 2, 4, 3, 5, 4, 2, 1. Big number I take. So procedure is simple. Please add 2 plus 4 plus 3 plus 5, 4, 2 plus 1. How much is that? 6 plus 3, 9, 9 plus 5, 14, 14 plus 4, 18, 20, 21. Is it 21 is divisible by 9 table? No. 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27. It is 21. So the number is not divisible by 9 table. As like a 3 table, 9 table also similarly. So 3 table means it should must be summation must be divisible by 3. 9 table means its summation must be divisible by 9. I hope it's very clear. Thank you. Next, the sixth concept is the divisibility rule of 5. 5 divisibility rule. It's very simple. The divisibility rule of 5 is last digit 5 or 0. The last digit contain 5 or 0. It's very simple. Example number 1, 250, 545, 72573, 52450. This is the numbers. Is it divisible by 5 or not? Just please be look at into last digit. Last digit is how much? 0. Divisible. Last digit is 5. Divisible. Last digit is 3. So it is not 5 or 0. It is not divisible. Last digit is 0. It is divisible. So just you look at it to the last digit. That last digit is 0 or 5. The entire number divisible by 5. Other number it is not possible. I hope it's very clear of divisibility rule of 5. Next concept is 10th. The divisibility rule of 10th. The 10th divisibility rule, it's very simple as like 5. Last digit is 0 only. The last digit is 0 only. Example 25340. The second one 34572. 45623. So please tell me that. What is the, how can you decision answer? What is the last digit is 0. So this is divisible. Last digit is 2. It is not 0. It is not divisible. Last digit is 3. It is not divisible. Last digit must be 0. Then only it is divisible by 10. Otherwise it is divisible by, it is not divisible. But 5 table 0 or 5. Both are optional. But 10th means it is not 5 or 0. It is only the 0. Now it is clear. Now switch on to the next. What we missed, it's we are missing 6th, the divisibility rule of 6th. It's very simple. The rule is very important from now onwards. The divisibility rule of 6 means the number follow the divisibility rule of 2 plus 3. The number which will follow divisibility rule of 2 divisibility rules and 3 divisibility rules. Both divisibility rules will satisfy. Then only it is divisible by 6 table. Because 2 means 6 means 2 3s are 6, right? It should satisfy 2 table rule as well as 3 table rule. What's a 2 table rule? Last 2 digits, last 1 digit. 3 table rule summation. The example I'll take to understand very clearly. 1 2 3 4 5. I'll take an example to understand. Okay. First you check, is it divisible by 2 or not? Last digit is 5. It is not divisible by 2 table. Is it divisible by 3 table? Yes. Overall 1 plus 2 plus 3, it is overall is 15. It is divisible by 3. But both should be possible. Both should be divisible. Otherwise it is not. So it is not divisible. So example, let us, I'll take an example. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is one more example. So let us, I'll check it out. Last digit will take it out. Last digit is 6. So it is divisible by 2 table. Is it divisible by 3 table or not? Let's check it out. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 5, 14. 14 plus 6 is 20. Because 20, it is not divisible by 3. So it is not divisible by 3. So, but it is divisible by 2. It is not divisible by 3 table. Therefore, any one it is not satisfied. So the entire number also not divisible by 6 table. So to understand it is, let's, I'll take one more example. Third example, 990. I'll take 990. 3 digits number. What is the last digit? It is 0. So 0 means it's divisible by 2. 3 table means 9 plus 9, 18. 18 is plus 0, 18. So it is divisible by 3 table. The number which is divisible by both 2 table and 3 table, it is also divisible by 6 table. So therefore it is divisible. So the number which it is wanted to divisible by 6, it should satisfy the divisibility rule of 3 as well as 2. Then only it is divisible by 6 number. So I hope it's all is clear. Now I'll go for the divisibility rule of next. How much a count is there? Previously it's 8. Now it's go for 9th one. The divisibility rule of 11, I'll take it out. 11 divisibility rule. Then I'll come back to 7 divisibility rule. 11 divisibility rule. The 11 divisibility rule means even position minus odd position digits, sum of even digit position, sum of odd position of digits, sum of even digit position minus sum of odd digit position is multiple of 11, is multiples of 11, is multiples of 11. So to understand logic, let us, I'll take an example. 2 3 2 3 2 3. This is the example I'll take. According to the question, this is even position 0 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Am I clear? It? Okay, whatever it is, LR this question. I think your options are yours. Okay, this is first position. This is odd positions. What are the even positions? These are the even positions. Please sum of the even positions. What are the sum of the even positions? 2 plus 2 plus 2. sum of odd positions. Okay. So how much you got? It is 2 plus 2 plus 6, 9 plus 3 plus 3, 9, 6, 9. How much answer is? Minus 3. Minus 3, it is not multiple because 11 zeros are 0, 11 ones are 11, 11 twos are 22. So it is minus 3, it is not at all. It is not minus 11 also. So it is not divisible by 11 table. So to understand very clearly, I'll take one more example. 6 5s or I'll take 6 5s. So therefore, this is odd positions, rest of all even positions. How much you get? 15. Next I'll take 15. 15 minus 15, how much answer is? 0. So therefore, but 0 is multiple of 11. Therefore, the entire number is divisible by 11 table. I hope it's very clear. Please take even positions and odd positions. So one more take, I'll take an example of for this. 1, 2, 4, 5. So there are only 5 positions. Let us no problem. How to take this, this. Rest of we can leave. 1, nothing is there, keep it 0. 1 plus 3 plus 5 minus 0 plus 2 plus 4. 8 plus is 9, 2 plus 6. Answer is 3, but 3 is not divisible. So it is not even position minus odd position or odd position minus even position, whatever it is. The difference of even minus or odd position minus even position, it must be multiple of 11. Then only it is divisible by 11, otherwise it is not. So therefore it is not divisible by 11 table. I hope it's very clear of 11 table. Thank you. The last foremost important 7 divisibility rule. Many textbooks they didn't mention the what is the divisibility rule of 7. Many videos you watch, we cannot, you are not supposed to get it out mostly. Very rare cases available divisibility rule. Let us, what is the divisibility? It is a special case of the divisibility rule. So what you should do is, I'll take an example with that. I'll do it is. Let us take an example for your convenient. 77 77, I'll take it out. This is a number. What you has to do is take last digit. Take last digit. We can multiply with 2. It means we can double it. Step number 1. Last number digit you take, last digit you take, multiply with 2, you'll get 14. You'll get some number. That you subtract from rest of the numbers. That value you subtract from rest of numbers. So what it has to do, here it is. What is the rest of number? 777. You must be subtract with the rest of numbers. How much you are going to get? 3, 6, 7, 66. This is a second. 763 is second place. It means next what you has to do, similar procedure. Step 1 again you can apply. Take last digit, because 4 digit number it becomes a 3 digit number. Now last again you can take last digit, multiply with 2. How much you are going to get? 6. Same thing, this value subtract with the rest of the numbers, rest of the, what is the rest of the 76. You must be subtract with the last number, 0, 70. Now it become a 2 digit number. Is it divisible by 70? Is 7 number or not? Definitely it is divisible by 7 because 7 10s are 70. So once again I'll explain to you. What you have to do is, just you take a number, last digit you take, double it and subtract with rest of the digits. The moment you do, the digits will comes to down because it's a 4 digit number. Now it's become 3 digit number, because 3 digit we cannot say directly. So again same procedure apply. Last digit you take, then you double it, subtract with rest of the numbers, then it becomes one more digit going to be incremental. So 2 digit number you can easily identify because 7 table is very perfect. It is, I think it's very clear. So therefore the total number is divisible by 7. Next last one more example I will take to your convenient. 1 2 3 4, one number I take. Let's say I'm checking it out. Last digit I'll take step 1. 4 2s are 8. What you have to do? 8 you subtract with 123. 123 minus 8 you take. 13, 8 will come 5. 115. Now it is 115. So 4 digit number becomes a 3 digit number. Again, I can take 5. 5 2s are how much? Is a 10. So you need to subtract with rest of the number. 11 minus 10, answer is 1. Okay. Is it 1 is divisible by 2? 1 is divisible by 7? So it is not. So therefore, entire number is not divisible by 7. So this is the way you need to practice the things actually. Once you, those who are understanding very clearly, I'll go from starting to ending. Once you revise all. Okay. The divisibility rules of 2, 3, 4. Here it's very clear. The divisibility rule of 2 table is last digit must be divisible by 2. The entire number is divisible by 2. 4 digit number means last 2 digits must be divisible. The entire number is divisible by 4. 8 means a last 3 digits must be divisible by 3. Divisible by 8. The entire number is divisible by 8. Next, divisibility rule of 3 means the sum of the all digits must be divisible by 3. Therefore, entire number is divisible by 9 means similarly 3. It summation must be sum must be divisible by 9. Next, the divisibility rule of 5. The number which will divisible by 5, it should be the last digit must be 0 or 5. Therefore, entire number is divisible by 5. 10 means last digit must be 0. Then only it's divisible by 10. 6 means the number it must be divisible 2 table and 3 table. It must be divisible by 2 and then only it divisible by 6. If it is divisible by 2, it is not divisible by 3 or any one, it is not. Both it has to satisfy. 11 even position summation minus odd position, or else odd position minus even position. The rest of the answers must be multiple of 11. Then only it is divisible by 11. Last 7th I told you just now. Last number you digit you take in the number, double it, subtract from the rest of the digits, rest of the number, then you get number digits must be decremental. Then again you can do same procedure. The rest of answer is 2 digits or 1 digit that must be divisible by 7. Therefore, entire number is divisible by 7. I hope it's very clear. Thanks for watching. If anything else, please make a comment on our comments on the below. I'll be updated your answers. Thanks for watching. Keep continue for in the next videos in the next classes. Thank you. Keep continue for to getting more updated videos.